back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will help me out a lot. Thank you. Today we're going to be making the best iced coffee that's super cheap and it's better than going to Starbucks every day. So we're going to start with the Chameleon cold brew. You can find this at Target or Walmart, $8 or $9. We're going to use the almond milk creamer. I also like to use half and half with mine. And then this Hershey syrup, you can either find it regular or sugar-free. So right now I'm going to pour in the ice. I like to have a lot of ice in my iced coffee. So I'm going to fill it to the very top. You could either do half the ice that I do or just do as much as I like. Alright, so right now we're going to add the coffee. And I just do, this coffee is concentrated, so I just do not even halfway, just a little bit towards the bottom. Next, I'm going to add some water to the rest just because I'm sensitive to caffeine. So I just kind of dilute it a little bit. And we're going to add my half and half. And you don't even have to add half and half. You can add whatever you want to your coffee, but this is my recipe and it tastes so delicious. This is just so satisfying watching this right here. It's so cool. Alright, next we're going to add a splash of the almond milk creamer. And next, my favorite, the chocolate syrup. I usually use sugar-free, but I was out of sugar-free, so I'm just going to put, and I put a little bit extra, which is probably not good for you, but you can add as much as you want, but it just makes the coffee taste delicious. So everything I bought is about under $15. I can make about 8 coffees. The cup that I use is about 16 ounces. So you do the math. You're saving a lot of money. I know sometimes I still go to Starbucks. That's if I'm on a rush. If I want to save money, I can just make this coffee at home and it's the best coffee ever. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.